Hi, my name's Audrey and I'm from Ohio. So before Proofread Anywhere, my life was pretty standard. I still work at 9 to 5, come home, take care of my kids, putt around the house. We do our activities on the weekends. And I was getting kind of tired of that. I was getting tired of working for somebody else. So I was looking up many ways to make money from home and I came across Proofread Anywhere and I thought, this might be a good fit for me because I love reading and helping people, and I could get paid to read books and find the errors. Before I enrolled in the course, I was concerned about the cost of the course, and I followed Caitlin for several months. There was a free, I think, 5-day email course I took to see if it would be a good fit for me. And I actually decided to finally take the plunge. Caitlin had sent out an email about, I forget exactly what it was, but basically she was willing to back up her course. I think she was offering some sort of coupon. And I was like, you know what, this is my chance. I'm going to do it. So I jumped in and I bought the course. And I did a couple modules and then, life got in the way. I had another kid and it kind of got pushed to the side. And then after following Caitlin some more, I was like, you know what, I need to start this. I started this and I need to finish it. So I did. So watching Caitlin and her energy really inspired me to finish the course and just get started on my business because that's what I really wanted to do. And since graduating from the course 18 months ago, I've been slowly building my business. And I just gotten to the point this month where I am fully booked for the month. I'm not making enough yet to quit my full-time job, but I'm leaps and bounds where I would be if I had done absolutely nothing. Caitlin's course has also challenged me many ways personally. I've overcome a lot of mindset issues, and I have her to thank for introducing me to the world of working for myself and being able to follow my dreams, like believing in myself that I can do that. So I absolutely recommend the course for anyone who would like to start working from home and loves to read, and there's plenty of work out there. Everyone needs a proofreader.